To change the size of the floating accessibility button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Under accessibility shortcut section, tap accessibility button. Under floating button setting section, tap size and then select the desired size you like to use for the floating accessibility button. Depend on your need, you can set the size to small, medium, or large. As the example, you can set the size to large. If you like to have a better visibility for the accessibility button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.